One of my friends took this class last year, and she invited me to the end of year fashion show, and I liked it so much that I really wanted to join the program.
And I always wanted to create fashion and clothing, and I always want to open up my own business and sell my own clothes.
It's more fun doing stuff like this instead of sitting in class almost all the time. I'm the only kid here in the school with actually a service dog, and they've been very acceptable and they've been very nice to me. It's really been very fun and creative here.
There's a lot of online assignments that are the theory behind a lot of marketing and the research on fibers and how to make the textiles and what each one is good for.
You're going to create a brand and a logo for it, and you're going to set up prices for the designs that you make, and you're going to pick a friend that can walk with your designs, or you can wear your designs.
I really like being able to do hands-on things because there's a lot of classes where you can be like, oh, here's the theory on how to sew, but you don't get the hands-on experience. We have a huge amount of materials that I'm able to use, and we can bring in our own materials or our own patterns, or we can find new ones on the internet.
You have so much room to grow, and you honestly get to do your own thing.
You have to be creative. If you are not creative, you're not going to be able to go very far, because the whole point of the class is to be able to make your own designs and take those sketches or the thought in your brain and transform it into a physical item. I do a lot of theater, so I think it would be really fun to continue doing more theater, specifically theater costuming, because it's a huge industry. It would cover live shows, it would cover TV, it would cover movies. It kind of combines my favorite things.
If you're a very creative person and you want to expand that, maybe try something new, come here, it's really fun.
Even if you don't end up going into it professionally and you just think that it would be a cool class to take, go for it.
It's pretty fun.